How to set who can message you on TikTok. Today, I will show you how you can adjust who can send you messages on TikTok. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Among the options provided, choose Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy. In the Interaction section, select the Messaging option. Select Messaging again. Here you have several options. Everyone means that all TikTok users can message you. Suggested Friends implies that users you follow or people you may know can message you. The Friends option means that followers you follow back can message you. The No One option means that nobody can send you direct messages. I will choose the Everyone option. And that's it. Write in the comments which option you choose and follow our channel for more tutorials.